Today we're going to look at, I think this is 4th generation Eneloop batteries. I bought this kit instead of the separate batteries because I wanted the plastic case that it came in. The first thing I noticed about it though was it's a little smaller than I thought it would be. But then again, you've got basically the width of about 4 batteries across, so I guess it just looked bigger online or something. And it's upside down. So essentially, you get the BQ-CC17 charger. This is all nickel metal hydride. Personally, I'm not going to use this charger. The batteries are supposed to already be pre-charged. So, and the thing about the Eneloops, although I really don't have the wherewithal or whatever it is, I certainly can't wait 10 years, but supposedly they hold 70% of their charge for up to 10 years. Although, when it says up to 10 years, as long as it don't go over that, I guess it's still alright in the clear. But and I don't care if it's been solar powered, solar energy charged or whatever, that doesn't matter to me. Well, we use a lot of batteries, so I thought I'd try these because most of the other brands, as a matter of fact, all of the other brands I've ever tried, they pretty much lose their charge. If you don't use them, a year later you go and they're pretty much dead, and then they won't even charge anymore as far as that goes. I kind of wish it had came with more of these spacers for C and D cells. You only get 2 of each. The way that works is you would take on the C, you would just push the battery in, and there you've got a C size. Now with the D, it's a little different. You open it like so, and then you put the battery in. Then you close it. And now you've got a D cell. So, while I don't really need these anyway because I have something else, I have these for the D and these for the C, which these actually hold 4. These hold 4 batteries. Is it double A's or triple A's? Okay, these hold 4 triple A's. And these hold 3 double A's. Still get the same voltage. You just get the increased milliamp hours by using more than one cell. So, but anyway, So they do appear to be charged already. There's no point in going through every single one. You know what a charged battery looks like, so. Oh, that is way too light. There, that might be better. So it has this pull down plug. I'm in the US, so it has a standard US plug. A little piece of film here to keep it from making contact. And this charger only does AAA and AA, while the AAA is really tight in there. Wow. Well, it might do AAA. I give up. You really have to push that to get that in there. But apparently it's supposed to do AAA as well. I'm not actually going to use this charger anyway, so. They call it an advanced smart charger, but I don't know if I'd call it a smart charger or not. But I like this case. What I will probably do eventually when I get more of these batteries is take this stuff out and just store the batteries in the case. Maybe get some foam or something. But I bought this particular kit because of the case more than the charger. I didn't want the charger. And this is supposed to be the 4th generation, I guess. Is that in focus? It says BK3MCCA. Of course, they're Panasonic. Used to be Sanyo, I think. 1.2 volts. 1900 milliamp hours is what the battery is saying. I don't actually have a way to, Well, I could throw it down. I don't actually have a way to test the milliamp hours or anything. I do have a new charger to test. Maybe that would do it. Anyway, I will update how I like these, I guess. Okay, so I figured out what I was doing wrong here. You have to be smarter than the charger, apparently. But I don't know how visible it is on the camera, but these slots have an angle right here. So the double A's go straight in, like so. But the triple A's are down at an angle like that. So if you try to push them flat like the double A's, that's why they won't. See, that's why it doesn't work. So they have to go like this, and then it's super easy and it fits really nice and everything. It just has to be put in correctly. That's all. I may do a test on this charger. It's not a bad charger if this is all you have, but your batteries won't last as long if you use this kind of charger. Basically, companies that produce batteries, it's in their best interest for your batteries not to last very long. So they're certainly not going to voluntarily produce a product that you get a maximum cycles out of a battery. They want you to use them a few times at best and have to buy more. Buy more and more and more. It's all a disposable society now. That's why they voluntarily give you a charger, hoping you'll use it.